Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. We need to use about integration by parts. So we need to use about u equal to Li 2022 s du we got about 2022 over ln 2022 s ds dv we got about ds, so you got about v equals to s. So we got about u multiplied with v, and we have the negative 2022, the integral of s ds over ln 2022 s. Now we need to concentrate about this one. We can use about integration by substitution. So we put about s equal to 1 over 2022 e to the power of u. So you got about the s equal to e to the power of u over 2022 du. So we put this one go in here, and this one go in here. The s we change for this one. So this one they will simplify, and you got about u. This one we can put about e to the power of 2u over 1 over 2022 square. The integral of this one you got about exponential integral of 2u, and we put about c is about constant. About u, that is about we multiply both sides with 2022. So we can find the value of u in here. So we put this one go in here, and now we combine everything. So we put this one go in here plus c. We simplify this one. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.